People thought the Strokes were going to save rock. You felt that there was going to be a movement forward. And for a while, it worked. But ultimately, it didn't really change the musical landscape. You can probably say the White Stripes or Arcade Fire are the last really big rock band in the classical sense. And the state's coming from my blood, time to go back home. So what happened? In the early 2000s, the electric guitar started to be replaced by this song sequencing software, and you started to see the future is not rock music. The groundbreaking artist who's going to completely change what we think good music sounds like is not going to be playing an electric guitar.